Sometimes the presenters bring you the questions so that you may think about those issues and may develop your own insights. Next, sir. Here are, okay, look at this.
Are you aware of all the free tools available to use in regards to your job search? Researching and leveraging your contacts within a specific company or industry can actually give you the edge when you're going to an interview. It is critical in today's job market to utilize all the free tools available to you online. For example, Google.com. Everyone knows that you can use Google to research a company, find out contacts within a company, or potentially career opportunities. However, did you know that there's a news feature? In the news feature, you can actually learn more specific information about a company, an industry, or its leaders. There's also a maps feature. The maps feature can allow you to put a particular industry within the search function, and it will plot the information on a map for you. This is an invaluable tool as you're searching because it not only allows you to find a new position, but you can find that position within a certain commutable distance for yourself. Remember, knowing the players in the game ahead of time can give you the advantage to ace the interview and get the job offer of a lifetime.
Now, the speaker was a job search consultant. You are very lucky that here you get free of cost advice. But in a practical world, if you step out of Pakistan, there's nothing that comes free, everything comes with a price tag. If you want to consult somebody, he'll first charge you the fees, then give you the consultation. Like even advocates do here or the doctors do here. When you want to consult a doctor, they say, okay, pay 500 rupees, get your number, get inside and then talk to me. Teachers are the only people in the world who don't charge money for consultation, because theirs is a prophetic job. So the woman on the screen was telling us that we can use Google search engine as a powerful tool of getting information about the jobs. And unless we get into a computer. And how can you have a personal computer? Because you should have a DSL connection, you should have an internet connectivity. Because if you want to live in this modern world today, enough, we have lost enough time. We can't really afford to lose any more time. Talk to your parents. Do some personal sparings. Tell your parents, Papa, I am going to spare some in next 6 months. I am going to spare 4,000 rupees. Can you give me another 5,000 rupees after 6 months so that we can buy a new computer? Try to make it a joint venture. Try to partake it with your father. Please, any mindset ma nikro, the babo computer vati dindo, amma computer vati dinda, but you can also do it. तई VC विझो, पैसा गॾु कयो, सिलाई कयो, कढ़ाई कयो, and boys, they should volunteer themselves, they should take up some part-time assignments, take up the responsibility of your own life or your own careers, and this way you can flourish, you can develop, you can grow. The reason is having internet connectivity nowadays is very essential. If for whatever reasons the internet may not be available, you should at least have an access to the newspapers. And if you can't purchase a newspaper, always find out a person in your neighborhood, in your relatives, within your community, within your family, somewhere at school, somewhere at college. Make a personal request that you should be given the copy of Dawn every Sunday for just 1 or 2 hours so that you can take a look, and this is possible. I am not talking about impossibilities, I am talking about the possible way. So, there is nothing impossible in this world excepting pleasing your wife. Mark also, sorry, did I say something wrong?
No, sir. Reality.
क्योंकि 24 घंटे उनके साथ रहेंगे ना, फिर भी कहेंगी 25 घंटे होते तो थोड़ी रहते, फिर भी तो 24 ही रहते. It is love of my wife. Next one is Amna says. Some reputable, now look at it. Some reputable companies and organizations do not drop their ads in Sunday newspapers only. Why? Because these companies, boys, please wake up and listen to this very valuable information. Why? Because these companies know that the readership is greater on Sundays. Average companies give their jobs on Sundays because they want more people to apply so that they have a wider scope, a wider option available, and they could pick up 5 people out of 2,000 people. But the more reputable companies, they avoid dropping in their ads in the Sunday newspaper because they only want the selective candidates to apply. They don't want everybody to apply. They are very careful about the kind of candidates they're going to hire, they're going to pick up for their own company. So they do it either on Saturdays or on Mondays. How many of you know these things, by the way? Initially when nokri kiye wate biya, hanena te vari workshop thino. This is our normal attitude. We don't want to learn, we don't trust others, we believe that we are all known, we are all knowing people, but that's really not the case. Because once you get deep into things, you get to know, oh God, I didn't know that. Then that's the normal reaction we come out with. So, then be very careful. Watch out for Saturday and Monday newspapers also. And they are often on lookout for slacked quality candidates. So they drop their ads in either on Saturday or on Monday editions, to keep the common ordinary candidates off. Hope you are getting this point. Am I audible to all of you? Okay, are you all listening to me? I can see some movement at the back. I don't know. Could you please sit down, or? Actually, he's taking a photography. So one is busy. All right. So talk anything. Next. And you should also take advantage. Advantage of what? Yes. We should take advantage of National Internship Program. And what do we mean by National Internship Program? This was one good thing among a few good things that General Musharraf did to this country. He introduced this program that after people complete their university education, or maybe they have done BA, BSc or intermediate, if they are interested in doing a job, they can be given a short-term job for 1 year. And that job, all you need to do is simple. What you got to do? Government of Pakistan provides the best opportunities for fresh graduates and jobless youth on quarterly basis. Every 3 months, a newspaper ad comes in. There comes an advertisement in all the newspapers, Jung, Kavish, Dawn, all newspapers. And they ask you only to fill in an online form. What do you need to do? You just get online, and that web address is provided in the newspaper. You cut out the address, go back somewhere wherever the internet is available, then open up, log in on, and then you should simply fill out that form. My name, my father's name, surname, matriculation, this. You fill out the form, and then after a due course of time, you receive a letter. You have been taken up in the NIP. I have never seen a single individual in the last 5 years who might say that he or she filled in the form, but the form was rejected. I have not seen even a single individual. Because there are billions of rupees specified, set aside for this project. Every 3 months, the advertisement appears. You can apply. You can fill in a form, and for 1 whole year you get 10,000 rupees per month. For 1 whole year. Number 2. Then when you are filling up the form, they ask you 3 districts of your choice. What do they ask you? 3 places of your choice where you would like to work. If you are living in Thatta, you can say Thatta, 1 district. Another district can be where you think you have your mamu or khala or chacha, where you have your own home, or any other 2 districts where you can see you can live for 1 year. So what does it mean? That they want to facilitate you. हू तव्हांखे जॉब भी ॾियनि था, तव्हांजी पसंद जी जगह ते बि ॾियनि था. And after you receive your order, what happens? You go to a deputy commissioner's office and you can tell the deputy commissioner the place of your choice. Not only the town of your choice, but you say, sir, मां perfect school system में कम करणु चाहियां थो या चाहियां थी. तव्हांजी deputy commissioner posting उते करे छॾियो. You say, sir, I want to work in girls high school Thatta, girls high school number 2. जेको तव्हांजे घर जे भरिसां आहे. He will issue order according. This is the law. The law says that you should be given a place of your choice and the town of city of your choice and the place of your choice. Recently, a son of my friend married. He had completed his university education, but he still hadn't had the job. He applied in this program. He lives in Sindh University Colony, and he said that he should work at Sindhology. Some of you might have heard the Institute of Sindhology, and he has been given posting, which is at a walking distance. Early morning he walks, he sits in the library, he does something, and every month he is getting 10,000 rupees. And this is guaranteed for 1 whole year. Now this is one way where you can get a job, by applying in National Internship Program, which is commonly called NIP or NIP. It has got 3 names: NIP, NIP and National Internship Program. Yes, sir. Now this is another big question. What is that big question? Is it that the jobs are not there? Or is it that the jobs are there, then why can't we get those jobs? Why people are failing to get these jobs? And that's where I've quoted Shakespeare. The fault, dear Brutus, 2 characters are talking to each other in one of Shakespeare's plays. One character is saying, the fault, dear Brutus, lies not in our stars, but in ourselves. किस्मत खराब ना है. हिकिड़ो भेरो कंहिं दुकान ते अंडा वठण वियुसि. सही कॉमन ज़िंदगी आहे. यू नीड थिंग्स. दुकानदार मूंखे ॾाढो ख़ूबसूरत जुमिलो चयो. चईं हाणे अंडा ख़तम थी विया. तव्हांजी क़िस्मत. You know what did I say to him? मां चयोमांसि तूं पंहिंजा अफ़ाल सुधार. मुंहिंजी क़िस्मत सुठी आहे. मां ॿिए दुकान ते ॿ डज़न वठी थो अचां. वठी वरी ॾेखारियामांसि. हुन चयो साईं ईअं मां कंहिं न सम्झायो आहे. So it's not in our stars. क़िस्मत ख़राब न आहे. We need to improve our performance. We need to think longer and deeper and a little more seriously, a little more carefully, and a little more often. And once we start doing this way, our destiny, our taqdeer will on its own start improving. We are the ones who can do it. We bring it down or bring it up. Next, sir. Who are they, by the way? I just wanted to validate my points. For example, I spoke to 3 people who keep on Okay. Who keep on, hiring people. You know the meaning of hiring? Appointing. So one is Executive Director, Bravos Academy and CSS Club, Hyderabad, and she is Flight Lieutenant retired Musarat Shah. For her, she retired from Pakistan Air Force. She was a flying officer, flight lieutenant. She used to fly a plane. After 10 years, in army there's a rule. Army says you got option. This is known as a terminal stage. The terminal stage is when you complete 10 years of your service, you should either opt for a permanent commission so that you may given a permanent commission for another 10 years, or you retire. Since she got married and she got 1 or 2 kids, so she decided to retire. But she did not retire. How? She set up an academy in Hyderabad, the first of its kind, to train young boys after they have done their intermediate, especially from cadet colleges, so that these boys could join Pakistan Armed Forces under all 3 wings, Pakistan Army, Pakistan Air Force and Pakistan Navy, as flight lieutenants through Inter-Services Selection Board examination, which is coming every year 2 times, ISSB examination, and she has helped 42 students in 1.5 years to get selected in Pakistan Army. I asked her, some 3 to 4 days back, I interviewed her. Do you think there are no jobs? She said, we have lots of jobs. My academy appoints people every 1 month, every 2 months. The other person we interviewed, whose photograph I could not get, is Mr. Imtiaz. Mr. Imtiaz Bugio is right now principal of the biggest school in Hyderabad, the city school, Jinnah campus. He is principal and the teaching staff is around 1,000, 200, 300, 400 teachers. He also needs to appoint people. I interviewed him and I interviewed Mr. Aftab, who has just started his own school in Dadu, that is Galaxy Institute of English Learning. So we'll listen to them just a little, to all 3 of them, what they have to say. Thank you.
This is one of the largest campus in Hyderabad, with about 1,300 students and the staff of 30 people. Private institution from my board and my student success. Despite we are education in Shanghai and the best prize.
And you have no reason, you can find people into the jobs.
In city school, we hire people to months of June and July for the academic year starting August onwards. However, we hire some people in normal sessions when people leave for their personal reasons.
I would request you to move it a little forward, where he is talking about, where I am asking a question. Here I am asking him a question, how often do you appoint people?
The skills to communicate with other people.
This is one, hold on.
The expressions, their body language.
Hold on. Here Mr. Imtiaz is telling us what are the qualities they look for in a candidate when they want to appoint him or her. So can you drag it a little backwards and then start from this question?
Besides these 2 language skills and the computer skills, the students, when you write, should also have the skills to communicate with other people, which are through words, the expressions, their body language, or even if they are not communicating with the words, they are definitely communicating with the way they look, the way they listen. So that is also an essential part of their character.
Next, we'll look at the next clip where we've interviewed Musarat Shah.
At Bravos Academy, this surplus to continue flat and retire and sell and start. On the issue of job search and survival and how exactly the academy can get people they want to find and hire, how difficult and easy for them. So, moving man, first of all, thank you very much indeed for exploring some moments of your valuable time to be with us this evening. Very much grateful. And my first of course, is present conception.